People, I have not been doing a good job of keeping up with the hydro table. Just kind of letting things do as they please. And I must say, it is looking quite nice. All our peppers. We have a black plum cutting back there. We're trying to get the root. A few ground cherries. All these peppers were topped to allow for more vigorous growth, and I must say it's paying off. We even got a little melon in there hiding. Strawberry. But the reason for the season is the ground cherry, yes. Grew there some seed. I used to always see them growing as a kid, or all around the neighborhood, growing up in the country, and never quite knew what they were. Heard the old people talking about them, I never paid much mind. And now that I'm older, I'm like, man, if I only knew what I was missing out on. The reason I'm stopping by today, well, you can see those flowers, pretty dope, right? The reason I'm coming to you today is for that. If we get around to it. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, we have a piece of fruit, not that leaf. That. And from what I've been reading, you're supposed to allow it to fall off on its own. And once it does, you'll put it somewhere and allow it to continue ripening. The husk will become like paper, and at that point you can eat the berry that's inside of it. This is our very first fruit from the hydroponic plant grown in the Kratky Hydroponic method. Pretty thirsty plant. At some point I'm going to transfer to another container. We're getting a lot of side nodes finally starting to sprout out. A couple of more flower clusters there at the top. All in all, I'm pretty happy with this plant. This has been a fairly successful experiment. Pretty sure the leaves would grow differently if it were an outdoor environment, but being as it is being grown under a 75 watt LED light, it's doing what it can underneath the artificial sun. Our second plant here seems to be doing quite happily as well. It's also putting on flower buds. There we go. The roots are nice and healthy. A little bit of algae, but you know, be what it be. So our pepper plant, even it's putting on some nice flowers. Almost time to refill. But man, all in all, I would say the hydro table is doing okay. It's doing okay. Even a nice little melon. Shake it in half. Wrapped in utility tape to block out some of the light to help prevent that algae from growing. And you can definitely see the difference in the clarity in that water. And yeah. But till next time.